Hello, welcome. Question 17, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian students. In how many ways can 4 prefects be selected from a class of 25 students? Selected, combination, arrange, permutation. So this is going to be combination. So remember the combination number of ways is going to be n combination what? R, which is n factorial, then r factorial, n minus r what? Or factorial. So if that's the case, we are having 25 students to select from, and we are selecting only 4, meaning we have 25 combination what? 4, which is 25 factorial, then 4 factorial. 25 minus this will give you what? 21 factorial. Let's go down a bit. In this, we have 25, 24, 23, 22, 21 factorial, because I'm having 21 factorial here. So this is going to be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 21 factorial, where 21 factorial will cancel. So this will cancel this. I can also see that the whole of this will give it 12 to 24. So can I go a step? Okay, let me go one step down. You can move from here directly because this is also section A. So 25, 24, 23, 22, now divided by what? 24 in the case of that. So I can now cancel my 24 out. Then I should be left with 25 times 23 times what? 22. And if you do that on your calculator, 25, 23, 22 to give you 12,600 and what? 50 ways, right? So these are the number of ways by which this can be selected. Let's check and see. That will give us the option A. I guess you understood. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for more. You can check the playlist on the tutorial for this combination and permutation.